You won't believe how powerful this $500 gaming PC is. Basically, with this $500 gaming PC, you will be able to play modern games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings with more than 60 plus FPS. Let's get started. At first, for the processor, our pick is Intel Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $89. As you know, gaming mainly depends on single core performance, and it comes with 4.3 GHz boost clock speed, which is more than enough for modern gaming. Then for motherboard, our pick is ASRock B660M. This one costs only $94. Now for under $100, you are going to get a B660 series motherboard, where you will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Zen for NVMe SSD support, decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, heatsink over the M2 SSD slot, and overall it's an excellent deal. Now comes the main attraction of this build, the graphics card. And here we are using the XFX Radeon RX 6600. This one costs only $209, and with this graphics card you can play modern games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings with more than 60 plus FPS, which is an excellent deal for a graphics card that costs only $209, and in this budget it's unbeatable. Then for the RAM, our pick is Silicon powered DDR4 16GB. This one costs only $30. Now these are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, and this RAM just works absolutely fine with any build. Then for the storage, our pick is Western Digital 1TB SSD. This one costs only $45, which comes with up to 3500 Mbps read-ready speed. This amount of speed will give your PC a significant power boost. Basically, your PC will boot faster, your games will load faster. Basically, after using this SSD, you will understand how fast an NVMe SSD feels like. Then for the power supply, our pick is Thermaltake Tough Power 80 Plus Gold Certified 600 watt power supply. This one costs only $66. Now for only $66, you are going to get a 80 Plus Gold Certified power supply, which comes with 5-year plus warranty, which is really a super awesome deal. And the 600 watt power supply is more than enough to power up this build safely and soundly. And finally, the casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $521 and will give you the best gaming performance out of your money. Thanks for watching.